Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is discuss the relationship of anthropology with sociology. Introduction. Mainly socio-cultural anthropology is related with sociology intimately. Both the disciplines study society, however they differ from each other in terms of methodology and approach. Sociology is a study of society. It studies human behavior as group. Since anthropology is interested in the study of man, who is a social animal, therefore, study of the society is quite natural on the part of anthropology. Relationship between anthropology and sociology. Similarities. First is meaning of social structure. Radcliffe Brown was the pioneer in the study of social anthropology. He differentiated sociocultural anthropology from ethnology and defined social structure in that context. He defined social structure as permanent sets of relationships that exist in a society between individuals and individuals, between individuals and groups, or within groups. This network of relationship is called social structure. According to him, social structure is a static and non-changing concept. The basic raw material and tool for the study of sociocultural anthropology is social relationship. Second is comparative sociology. Another similarity between the two disciplines is comparative study of the social structure. It is easier for the socio-cultural anthropology to compare between modern and simple society for generating meaningful and scientific law. However, for sociologists, there is little scope for comparison, yet they can generalize since they compare between different modern societies. Third is sociological study. Another component in social anthropology is sociological study. Because of this background, which was carved out by Radcliffe Brown in Britain, some sociologists regard anthropology as a branch of sociology, which is not true. Moreover, sociocultural anthropologists are teaching sociology in many countries. For example, M.N. Srinivas, a sociocultural anthropologist, headed Department of Sociology in Delhi University. This type of background tempted some sociologists to state that social anthropology is not different from the sociology. B part is influence of sociology on anthropology. First is ideology of Durkheim. A French sociologist has greatly influenced the doctrines of anthropologists like Malinowski and Radcliffe Brown. Second is subject matter of social anthropology is so much similar to the subject matter of the sociology that many social scientists have regarded anthropology as a branch of sociology. Ivan Pichard has written social anthropology can be regarded as a branch of sociological studies, that branch which chiefly devotes itself to the primitive societies. C part. Social anthropology helping sociology. Many discoveries of social anthropology have thrown new light on several subjects of sociology. First, sociology has taken the ideas of cultural field, cultural apparatus, cultural lag, etc. from social anthropology and developed them further. Second, basic personality type discovery of Ralph Linton and Abraham Gardiner have greatly influenced sociologists. Third, applied viewpoint of study of culture is a special contribution of Malinowski to sociology. Fourth is discoveries of Ruth Benedict have been very helpful in studying various sociological problems about national character. Fifth, Fifth, physical anthropology and sociology. Physical anthropology has exerted great influence on various problems of sociology. It has been proved from ethnological discoveries of Franz Boas and Otto Kleinberg that physical characteristics have nothing to do with the mental spatial features and that the influence of environment is the chief cause for mental differences. Anthropology has also helped sociology by disproving the ideas of racism. McLever, McLever and other sociologists have attached great importance to the contribution of anthropology. Depart differences. Though the discipline of social anthropology have developed in close association with sociology and borrowed concepts from them, it doesn't mean that social anthropology is a branch of sociology. As zoology and botany are biological sciences originated from same but they have their separate identity. Similarly, sociology and social anthropology are not same are not same as they differ from each other in terms of methodology and extent of study. First is anthropology is concerned with simple and complex society, while sociology is concerned with complex or Western society, rural and urban society mainly. After studying tribal societies, anthropologists have also included rural and urban communities into their fold. Anthropology contributed significantly towards labor relations, understanding social tensions, ethnic conflicts, globalization, etc. Also, in recent years, sociology has developed keen interest in study of tribal communities, so many so that these days are no these these days there is no difference between anthropologists and sociologists with respect to study on tribal communities. Second part is, on the one hand, anthropology collects data by face-to-face study participant observation. The sociology collects data with the help of secondary techniques such as questionnaire, survey, and schedule. Realizing the advantage of participant observation, all other social science, including sociology, has adopted. Third is anthropology studies social, economic, political, cultural, etc. aspects of mankind. Sociology, on the other hand, studies social relations and social interaction alone. Conclusion: anthropology is unique and holistic discipline studying society of man in totality or in total terms of space and time, whereas sociology is a part study. Thank you very much.